You've probably heard people talking about the plant-based bodybuilding system. So what is the plant-based bodybuilding system? The plant-based bodybuilding system was created by Justin K, where you learn how to cook over 70 delicious vegan recipes that are great for burning fat and building muscle. Yes, there are literally millions of people getting great results and reaching their goals all from eating plant-based foods. That's why I wanted to share with you my honest review. It's true, the plant-based bodybuilding system isn't for everyone. I'll share with you in just a minute if you're one of those people who shouldn't buy it. But first, let me hit the high points. But here's just the best parts of this offer: you don't get overwhelmed. You'll have access to over 70 delicious high-protein recipes that contain all the nutrients you need. Best of all, they are really easy to make. Plant-based macros: you will get a nutrition manual where you will provide you the exact tools you need to reach your muscle or fat loss goals. You'll learn from an expert. This isn't some rehashed information. These strategies come directly from Justin K, who has over 10 years experience in and out of the gym. You will learn how to many daily calories you need to gain muscle or lose weight. You will also learn how to create your own workout routine and choose quality foods and ingredients so that you can prepare all your plant-based meals in advance. The program also includes free bonus material, including grocery shopping lists and healthy and delicious smoothies. It's extremely affordable, surprisingly so. I've seen diet and other health and fitness programs of this level cost 2 or 3 times as much, so this is a bargain. However, as mentioned, this program isn't for everyone. There are downsides: no videos. If you prefer learning from video, you'll be disappointed. But recipes, workouts and other manuals are perfectly laid out, so the program certainly isn't lacking for good, solid information. Conclusion? The plant-based bodybuilding system thoroughly outweighs its downsides, so it's a great choice for anyone struggling to gain muscle and reach their fitness goals on a plant-based diet. If you don't love the pub system, you get your money back, so try it out risk-free today. Click the link below to learn more about the plant-based bodybuilding system.